Audit planning means developing a general strategy and a detailed approach for the expected nature, timing and extent of the audit. What are the key steps in audit planning? Planning meeting. This should be scheduled with the internal audit sponsor, internal auditee and any other key responsible representatives. The planning meeting should be documented and performed prior to the commencement of fieldwork. This should include discussions around role, objectives and resourcing. A request list. This should be prepared and sent to management in advance of commencing the internal audit. Various items requested includes process documents, policies, business plans and organization structure. The scoping letter. It is the key output from the planning meeting and should be documented, distributed and agreed with the internal audit sponsor and key contacts prior to the start date of the internal audit. Background research. The engagement team to review the background research material of the entity under internal audit and be familiar with all the core business function. This usually involves reviewing policies, minutes, legal and financial documents. Internal audit program. A standardized internal audit program is a prerequisite and must be prepared prior to the internal audit fieldwork for efficient and effective performance of the internal audit. The program should include process documentation, internal audit procedures and work paper. Team briefing. The internal audit manager should arrange a meeting with the internal auditor delivering the work. This should be in advance of the commencement of the work and aim to discuss information obtained, scope and the approach.